Hello and welcome to Language. This is week 16, and as you can see, we're still learning about toys. Last week in in lesson 1, we began the unit about toys. We learned about things like the toy car, a doll, a teddy bear, and a ball. All right. So this week, we want to add more information by going to unit 2. What is under unit 2? We're going to have the same thing. Only this time we want to ask the question. What was the question we want to ask? The question we want to ask is, what do you have? Can you see? What do you have? And the answer, just like last week, is I have, and you say the toy you have. However, this week we are going to describe what we have. For example, if you will say, I have a dash, let's say you have a monster. So this week, I want us to describe what our monster looks like or what our toy looks like. We shall use colors. For example, we can say, I have a blue and red monster. So this is what we're going to be concentrating on. We are going to be concentrating on describing our toys. Now let's go ahead and describe and learn what our toys are going to be in this unit. As we can see,
A. Listen, point, and say.
listen, point, and say. Number 1 is a
Robot.
robot. Number 2 is a
Kite.
kite. Number 3 is
Monster.
a monster. And number 4 is a
Bike.
bike. Okay? So if we were to go back here and here and here, how can we describe this? We can say, I have a dash dash. So what is it? It's a pink bike. So we can say, I have a pink bike. Next one. How about this? Can you see what is it? It's a robot. But what color is the robot? All right. Again, you will say, I have a yellow robot. Can you see? I have a yellow robot. Next one. This is a kite. I think this kite is very many colors. So what can we say? I have what colors are there? A red, blue, green, and yellow kite. Can you see? I have a red, blue, green, and yellow kite. That's a little bit long. How about this one? It's a monster. What color is our monster? Now, the dominant color in this monster is green. So what are we going to say? We shall use this and say, I have a green monster. Okay? So do you understand? It's all about looking at what we have and then describing what we have with what it looks like. The monster, it's green. So you say, I have a green monster. All right? How about The kite, it's 4 different colors. You will say, I have a blue, red, green, and yellow kite. How about this? Robot, what's the dominant color? Yellow. So what will you say? I have a yellow robot. And the last one, it's a bike. What color is it? Pink. So what will you say? I have a pink bike. All right. So the lesson is going to stop here for today for the online people. And those of you who attend the class, we shall be explaining more using PowerPoint. I'm going to stop here and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.